Is it the type of people them will love talk about say how them don't see a change? Both parties are the same thing. Oh, I don't see a difference. The two of them are the same thing. But now vote. They're just undercover comrades. Don't pay them no mind. Undercover comrades. In all my years of political discourse, these are the most disingenuous types of people. Because the fact of the matter is, they can't admit that PNP is failing so badly. They can't come out and show their full support because, of course, people are going to clock them and look at them sideways. Like, literally, because the trajectory that the country is going into and the growth that the country is experiencing, most well-thinking Jamaicans, if you come out and talk about, say, oh, you're going to vote for PNP, they're going to look at you like you are a mad person, like you're insane, you know? And I think it's also a part of just bad mind, bitterness, because most of them, right, they're so indoctrinated into the whole concept of the PNPism that they can't fathom that PNP is no longer relevant. They can't fathom that PNP is just not it. At this point in time, PNP is not an option for the country. And you know, some of them, because them back abroad, them can't beat them chest like they used to one time and be like, oh, PNP, right? They just hide under all of that bitterness. I don't see a change. Both of them are the same. Are you serious? We literally see where both parties are judged by two completely different standards. There was even a poll that admitted that most persons hold JLP to a higher standard than PNP. Most persons expect that JLP is supposed to do better on all accounts. But they have very low opinions of PNP. Very low, right? And we can see the difference in leadership. We can see a difference in how both parties are managed. Out of the two parties, them which party have two parties within a party? Y'all need to be for real. Which party have two parties in one party? Come on, step to the front. Tell us. So whenever I hear those types of people talking, I just zone them out. I don't pay them no mind. Because there's no way in 2025 you are going to look at these two political parties. Albeit, JLP is not perfect, right? There's still a long way to go. There's still a lot of things that they need to work on, in my opinion. But I have definitely seen the growth of JLP, especially under Andrew Holness's leadership.